TradingView has a portfolios feature that lets you track your actual holdings, see your real performance, and analyze your positions alongside the market, and here's how to set it up. First, open up a new tab by going to the top of TradingView and clicking on the plus icon. Then, head over to the bottom right, go to Individual Tools, then Start Portfolios, then click on it. You'll load up on this page. Now you can either upload a CSV file with the tickers you have, add it from a watch list, import from paper trading, but let's create ours manually. Now let's name it something. Let's name it long-term holdings. You can even add a description, and the benchmark we'll use is the S&P 500 with a risk-free rate of 2%, and we'll use the US dollar. We won't auto-adjust trades for splits, but now let's click Create. Now we need to add our actual transactions, so let's just make some up. You can either sell or buy. Let's add some buys in for what we hypothetically would have bought. Let's start with Nvidia. Now, again, these numbers are all hypothetical, so don't take them too seriously. Once you add Nvidia, go down to the bottom and then click on Save and Add More. Now let's add Apple. Now let's say this was our portfolio. There's a lot of stuff here. You can first look at the overview, which will show you the value and the performance. You can look at the portfolio value, unrealized gain, realized gain, and total gain. You can look at the time frame, daily gainers, daily losers, and even the portfolio distribution for assets, asset types, sectors, currency. Upcoming earnings for the companies in your portfolio, upcoming dividends, and even news regarding the companies in your portfolio. Now you can also look at holdings, filter by position, price, financials, performance, risk, technicals. Then head over to transactions, filter by trades, cash, dividends. You can even add data for these. Let's go over to analysis. This is a super powerful tool. It'll show you your portfolio profitability over different time frames, profit, again over different time frames, and even risks such as beta, Sharpe ratio, and Sortino ratio, as well as your holding performance. Now, use this as a planning tool as well, not only a tracker. Go back to where we started our portfolio. Now, you can make a new watch list with hypothetical positions to see how trades would have performed without actually taking them. Have a great day, guys.